Good afternoon, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Putri Arumsari. I will be giving a lecture on surveying. The first section will be an introduction to surveying. Today, we will be discussing on the definition of surveying, the history, the types of surveying, and the measurement units and scale used in surveying. Surveying is the art and science of taking field measurement, including horizontal and vertical distance, slope distances, and angle and coordinate. Surveys are made to collect data which can be then drawn to scale on a plan or map used in preliminary survey or pre-engineering survey. Field surveys are made to lay out dimensions taken from a design plan and thus define precisely the location of a proposed construction facility. The history of surveying dates back from the oldest profession in the world, which is farmers. 3,000 years ago, Egyptian surveyors divided fertile land around the Nile River and worked on remarking the land after annual flooding of the Nile River. Thus, the early application of surveying is used to mark boundaries of land for farmers to identify their land. There are several types of surveying that are available in industry, such as as-built survey. A survey that documents the location of recently constructed elements of a construction project. As-built surveys are done for record, completion evaluation, and payment purposes. An as-built survey is also known as work as executed survey. As-built surveys are often presented in red lines and laid over existing plan for comparison with design information. This way, it can be seen whether the as-built construction is exactly as it was designed. Foundation survey. A survey done to collect a positional data on a foundation that has been poured and cured. This is done to ensure that the foundation was constructed in the location and at the elevation authorized in the plot plan, site plan, or subdivision plan. Next is hydrographic survey. A survey conducted with the purpose of mapping the shoreline and bed of a body of water, used for navigation, engineering, or resources management purposes. This is usually done annually to see how far the shoreline has changed. Deformation survey. A survey to determine if a structure or object is changing shape or moving. First, the position of points on an object are found. A period of time is allowed to pass and positions are then remeasured and calculated. Then, a comparison between the two sets of positions is made. Leveling is a survey to find the elevation of a given point. Mining surveying. Mining surveying includes the digging of mine shafts and galleries and the calculation of volume of rocks. Photographic control survey is a survey that creates reference marks visible from the air to allow aerial photographs to be rectified. Topographic survey is a survey that measures the elevation of points on a particular piece. The measurement units used for surveying is usually in a metric system. For distance measurement are in meters, kilometers, centimeters. For area measurement are in square meters, square kilometers, acre, and hectares. For volume measurements are in cubic meters and cubic kilometers. For angle measurement, the sesquidecimal system is used, which is in degree. One circle includes 360 degrees, 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. The end result of a surveying is to produce a map. Either it's a topographic map, a technical map, or a geographic map. Each map will have a scale written on it. A scale on a map is the ratio of distance on the map and the true distance at the Earth's surface. The scale enables to draw wide area on a piece of paper with limited size. There are two ways to express a scale on a map. First is a number ratio, such as 1 per 10,000, meaning 1 centimeter on paper equals to 10,000 centimeter on the Earth's surface. Or graphical scale is a line used to describe the distance on the map which is equivalent to the certain actual distance. An example of graphical scale can be seen on the presentation. The function of a scale is to enable the wide area of surface to be drawn into limited paper size, and then to be used to assist the measurement of actual distance at the Earth's surface. There are two types of scale. First, there's a large scale. It is to draw a small area. These scales are usually in 1 per 10, or 1 per 20, or 1 per 50. A small scale is to draw up a larger area. These scales are usually in 1 per 500 or 1 per 25,000 and etc. Well, that is all for the session. Until we meet again in the next session. Thank you.